AZ Fluency, Level H, Nature's Toothbrush. Echo, echo. Nature's toothbrush. How can you brush your teeth when you do not have a toothbrush? You can eat an apple. An apple is called nature's toothbrush. Apples are hard and do not stick to your teeth. When you bite into a hard apple, it cleans off your teeth. Why not try using an apple? Eat your lunch and then feel your teeth. Next, eat an apple and feel your teeth again. Do your teeth feel cleaner? If so, the apple has cleaned them. Okay, the main idea of nature's toothbrush is that an apple is called nature's toothbrush because it can clean off your teeth. Or the main idea of nature's toothbrush is you can use something like an apple to clean your teeth after you eat. Good job persevering with the growth mindset, and roar Wildcats!